Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Share. Howdy. How no do? Me say howdy, you know that's a tear upon me, so no manners. Oh no parents they brought you up. Howdy, me mean hello. Lord, hi dear sir. Yes, ma'am. Me no mean you holy no ma'am. Me just manners me have. Yes, sir, manners me have. When me say sir, and a hold me mean you hold. Me mean a manners me have. Yes, hi over there. Uno parents it bring them up. Into today's episode of Jamaican Culture Share, I will be sharing some more of their buzzwords there, words that we use every day, all the time, words that once you hear that word is either the person associate themselves with Jamaican or they're Jamaican. Words like ball. Larin kiyang bali. Ah! Laro yung ball so. What they're really saying, Jamaican, the person is crying. Porridge. Porridge. Me want some porridge for breakfast this morning. Porridge. That's their favorite word, porridge. It's a food. You can use banana. You can use cornmeal. It's normally it's used for breakfast. It's called porridge, but Jamaicans say porridge. The other words like chink. Chink. Your face is like a chink. Go ahead, you come here like chink. Others will say bed bug. Rag. Go use the rag in the bathroom. Hang up your rag when you use it. Me say hang it up. The others will say call it washcloth. Jamaicans say rag. E boy teeth, in teeth milk out of coffee. What a boy teeth, man? Jamaican, yeah? Him a thief or they say him a criminal. Take something which doesn't belongs to him, which did not given to him. So thief. You go on like you're a big woman. You're not a big woman here, you know. If you're a big woman, come out. It's like a child behaving like a grown up, that sort. So Jamaican would say, yeah, but like you're a big woman or you're a big man. You're behaving like a grown up, okay? You're a child. But maybe the way you're carrying on, it's like you're a grown up or, you know. So they say big man and big woman. Maga. Lani maga, eh? Oh, him so maga. No, him no maga. She maga. The person is, you'd say slim bill. So Jamaican would say the person maga. Pull up your trousers. When your trousers are doing there, so pull it up. You walk with your trousers down and you pull up your trousers. Pull up your pants. They're talking about your pants. Hobia. Lord. Hobia. Me say, let's sit down and do a work, hobia. Let's sit down and do a work, hobia. So they say it's science. Obia is normally it's black magic, right? Obia? Yes. Black magic. And then you have words like dopey. Jamaican use word like I wonder if I dopey around there. Me not going there. Me think say dopey there. Me not going there. Me afraid of dopey. Me say me not. Oh, dopey? No, me not going there. Me not go there, dopey round there. The word duppy originates from Africa, okay? Most Caribbean use the word duppy, they either say ghost or spirit. That's all I know about it. I don't. Duppy, Jamaicans say duppy, and as I said, either known as spirit or ghost. That's about it for me. And then you have, like somebody's talking, like, beg your pardon, ma. May I beg your pardon? Pardon me, ma. Pardon me. It's like the person, the Jamaicans, they're apologizing. So apparently they say something and that person is offended. So they say, beg your pardon, ma. Beg your pardon. And then you have words like that they use, as I said, these are words that they use very often. Lad, he got biggie, man. How can I got that in front of him? Look on him got in front of him. Master, cover your gut. Look on your gut. Jamaican talking about the belly, or kids would say tummy, but the stomach. That's what they're talking about. Me want some hail. Go down at the road, go get some hail. Buy some hail at the corner store for me, or down at the shop. Jamaicans use corner store. Down at the shop. Buy some hail. They're talking about oil, that cooking oil that you use. That's what they're talking about. Me say, they can lavish every day they sit down. And then cross, then ten, then cut, then ten. And then man lavish. Lord, you can lavish him, man. Lord, go find something for do with us a lavish. They're talking about gossip. Gossip. Okay. And the other words like they use dish towel. Hold it with the dish towel. Put the dish towel over there, so. Put the dish towel over there, so me say. They're talking about, like your rag that you use in the kitchen. You use a rag to maybe dry the plate, whatever rag you use in the kitchen. Jamaicans say dish towel. I want grab it from him, you see. No, grab it from him. No, grab it from him. Okay. Instead of take it from the person, the Jamaicans say you grab it. Yeah, you grab it. So those are some of our buzzwords that we use daily, every day. Like even this word I used earlier, manners. No manners. I said, them pick nowadays, no manners. They no manners. They ain't brought up. I mean, their parents did not teach them, grow them up the right way, things like that. If you find this video informative, yeah, a little, just a little, little thing touching on our favorite words that we use every day, sharing some of our culture with you. Please like, share, comment. Yes, please do. And thank you for watching. Thank you, as always. I appreciate it. Thanks.